Good morning, my dear students. Welcome back to this PowerPoint presentation of Class 6, Unit 6. The topic of this class is SMART Goals. Let me ask you, my dear students, how are you? Hope you are keeping healthy, wealthy, and good. As we are in the lockdown period, I hope you are having a good time. And now I am welcome you to this lesson, how you are able to make your life better or bad. As you see in the first picture, how can you set up SMART goals? And there is a story about a boy called Sam. And we can see from this story, he was a naughty boy. So my dear children, everybody considered him a bad boy. And naturally, he was feeling so sad. So my dear children, every day the routine of his life was he dressed up, went home, did some homework, then played before going to bed. So he felt life boring. I hope so. You also will be feeling bored because you are months long in the house or with your family members. You like to come back to your school, meet your friends, meet your teachers and enjoy life. So, when I tell you about Sam, he was thinking a long time what he can do, whether he can help someone or he could help himself. So my dear children, he wanted to make his life meaningful. He decided to face challenges and show that he is a loving and kind person. Let me advise you or let me tell you, be like Sam, a thought-provoking life. So children, he started to set goals in his life. Let me ask you, what is the meaning of goal? Setting up to achieve something or what you want to become in your life. So, Sam thought that he want to make his day better than the previous one, or today is a Monday but he want to make his day than Sunday. So, he improved himself, he tried his level best and he started to shine out or he started to become glowing. He made his world better in work and play. He worked hard and at the end he started to love his brothers and sisters. Everyone was amazed or surprised the changes going on in Sam, and he made them happy and he felt glad and satisfied. My dear students, this is the way he was helping. He helped his friends. He kept his classroom clean. He began to respect his teachers and at the end he became the role model and he brought joy and happiness. He was a person of fun and every day or daily he was able to achieve and he started to get loved by someone and at the end his life became one of the best life. So my dear children, the second slide you can see what are the goals you must keep to be a smart children. The points below will help us to know how to be smart in setting and achieving goals. My dear children, you can see S for specific, M for measurable, A for action, R for realistic, T for time based. So, this is called SMART. What do you mean by the SMART goals? My dear children, to achieve something, you have to be focused on your target or focus on what you are doing and measurable. See, my dear children, when you are making something or when you are doing something, you have to watch the progress, what you are aiming at. That will give you to reach your goal. The next one is action. What is your action? A goal can be achieved only through action, therefore work hard. Now for the second unit test, you cannot be sit idle, but you have to work hard. And the next point is realistic. A goal should be within our ability. It should be challengeable but attainable. Yes, my dear students. You know, every action, every work is doing, it can be challengeable, but you should reach or you should attain that goal or the goal which you are aiming at. It should be within your ability, within your capacity. And the last letter, time based. My dear students, if you are not able to complete a task which you are taken, don't do it. But see that you have to accomplish or you have to complete the task which you are taken within the time frame. That is called time based. Do everything according to the time break or according to the time. Then you can become good children and you can become more enthusiastic and more focused on your goals and your aims. At the end, I want to conclude. Looking at these pictures, you can see the 4 pictures, how each one is aiming, how people are doing their best, how they are aiming at the center or the core of what you want to do it. That is why you can do everything. Have a confidence, have a good motivation, then you can do everything well. Then you will be able to success in your life. So my dear children, page number 6, page number 34, there is a my goals. Goal 1. You have to write what is your goal, whether you have accomplished or still improving. From goal 1 to goal 10, you can write down your goals, different goals. Okay, my dear children, goals means what you are aiming at, what you want to do it, what you want to success in it. That is why then you can be a